Hello, we are ready to start our 7th week of our Bible study already. Believe it or not, we are in our last half of this, ladies. So our time in the Psalms is short, I think. Time is flying this winter. This week, we are moving from the Songs of Lament into Penitential Psalms. So you may be wondering, what are these Penitential Psalms all about? Well, as you would guess from the name, penitential means to be penitent, and that means to feel or express remorse and sorrow for your misdeeds and sins. So, just last week, we were discussing how there wasn't so much remorse, there was not so much confession of sins in the lament psalms. It just was pouring out your heart in lamentations. But now you are going to see a lot more confession of sins. You're also going to see the psalmist seek mercy and for forgiveness. So, lots of a penitent soul and spirit in the Psalms. Day 1, we're going to talk about and discuss Psalm 32. Day 2, we'll look into Psalm 51. Day 3, we will study Psalm 139. And day 4, we will study Psalm 143. Some of these Psalms, you're going to definitely see the sorrow and the remorse pouring out, asking for forgiveness. Others, it doesn't seem so obvious to me, especially Psalm 139. I would not typically classify as a penitential psalm, but there's so much to glean from it. Anyway, no matter what these classifications are, there's a lot to learn. Hopefully, these will be a little bit easier to wrap our thoughts around and to really dig into than some of the lament psalms were and some of those communal laments. So, I hope that you have a wonderful week studying this, and I hope I will see you on the group call next Saturday morning.